How to remove clips from the media pool in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and navigate to the media tab from the bottom of the screen. After that, head straight to the media pool where all your imported clips are displayed. Next, select the clip or clips you want to remove by clicking on them. You can select multiple clips by holding the Ctrl key and clicking each clip you want to delete. After selecting, right-click on any of the selected clips to open the context menu. From this menu, click on Remove Selected Clips to delete them from the media pool. This action only removes the clips from the media pool, not from your computer storage, so your original files remain safe. If you accidentally remove the wrong clips, you can undo the action by pressing Ctrl+Z right away. Alternatively, you can select clips and simply press the delete key on your keyboard. Remember that if your clips are linked to the timeline, removing them from the media pool will make them offline in your timeline, so double check before deleting. And that's it. Now you know how to remove clips from the media pool in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.